Shared use cards. After completing this training, cardholders will have become familiar with the shared use card and its availability and use. This card is often referred to as the department card. A shared use or department card is a generically named corporate card. Various academic and service departments across campus have a shared use card. Some examples include the FSU Biology card or the FSU Finance Office card. Shared use cards are intended for the purchase of incidentals and small dollar amount transactions by an individual who does not have or does not need a corporate card in his or her name. As with all corporate cards, transactions made with shared use cards must be reconciled on the primary cardholder's expense report in the Concur expense reporting system. Shared use cards are not covered by JP Morgan's extended fraud protection. This is because the card is likely to be used by more than one individual. For instances of unauthorized use and fraudulent activity on the shared use card, please contact the Financial Services Office directly. Due to the absence of fraud protection, shared use cards are assigned relatively low spending limits. Limit changes and usage changes may still be requested for shared use cards. However, the maximum single transaction limit allowed on a shared use card is $500. Purchases greater than $500 must be paid with an individual's named card if the corporate card is being used as the method of payment. Shared use cards cannot be used for travel-related purchases. These disallowed purchases include, but are not limited to, airfare, fuel, and hotel charges. An exception to this rule exists for group conference registration. If such registration results in a significant cost savings for the university, then the shared use card may be used to pay for the registration. To effectively track the usage of a shared use card, a detailed log of the card activity should be kept. The log should contain information on who is using the card at what time. An effective way to record this would be through a check-in, check-out sheet. The log should also include the name of the vendor and the dollar amount of the purchase as well as the purchaser's initials. When the primary cardholder leaves their position or separates from the university, please ensure that a cardholder information change form is submitted to change the primary cardholder for the shared use card. All users of a shared use card must have a signed copy of the Departmental User Agreement form on file. Please note, this form should be retained by the department and does not need to be sent to the Financial Services Office. This form can be located on the Financial Services webpage, as shown here.